Sawadika. Hey guys, tonight I will be teaching you guys how to write Nomong, the Yik Gang, we call it in English. In English we call them the consonants. The more language you know is the better you will become in life. So let's get right into it. The first Yik Gang, the first letter is Ma. It's written like this. Ma. Ja. Da. Da. Down here is Ha. La. Sa. Nga. Down here is Ja. La. Sha. Ja. Down here is Ja. Sorry. Ja. Ja. Ga. Da. Nya. Da. Ba. Za. Down here is Za. Ba. Da. Nga. Now here is Ya. Nga. Ba. Sha. I'm going up here because down here I don't have any more room. And the next one after Sha is Ba. Nga. Bla. Ah. The next one is Ma. Ma. Bla. Nga. Ra. And that is all the Yik Gang, which we have 36 of them. Thank you for watching, and till next time.